Welcome to our channel. Starting as a Postmates driver, follow these verification steps to complete your account setup and begin delivering. Step 1. Download the Fleet app for drivers. This is different from the customer Postmates app. Step 2. Create your Fleet driver account. Provide basic information including name, email, and phone number. Step 3. Upload your driver's license. Take clear photos of front and back, ensuring all information is legible. Step 4. Submit vehicle registration and insurance. Provide current documents showing valid registration and adequate insurance coverage. Step 5. Complete the background check consent. Authorize Postmates to verify your driving and criminal history. Step 6. Attend orientation if required. Some markets require in-person or virtual orientation sessions for new drivers. Step 7. Activate your Postmates prepaid card. This card is used for orders requiring payment at pickup locations. Step 8. Wait for activation confirmation. Account approval typically takes 2 to 7 days depending on background check processing. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.